Hey guys, this is Hetu and welcome back to etlQALabs. So guys, from today onward, I have thought a very wonderful plan that is that we will actually do the problem solving series. Okay, so we will do problem solving series, and let me explain you why do we need it basically. Okay, because for any ETL automation, right, or not only ETL, any automation test engineer, right, automation engineer, what they need to do is basically they need to code. Yeah, obviously they need to code, write the code. And if you go to really good companies, there will be first round always a coding round basically. Okay, in the coding round there will be a series of questions that actually you can solve it, and those are also called as a DSA round. Okay, DSA round, not only for QA but also for developer basically, right? And after you clear this, they will go for basically the ETL automation round. Okay, ETL automation round. Okay, so this is the reason this is very important for us to basically get a very good grasp, very good understanding on this part. And for this, it will not come because this is coding, right? So it will not come like doing a couple of videos and all those things. This has to be actually a continuous practice. So what we will do in this particular series, we will be taking up various different topics. Okay, and based on those topics we will be actually doing the problems related to those topics. For example, we can take for example strings, right? There are a lot of strings questions that will come, right? And similarly we can actually take for list, tuples, set, right, dictionaries, all these questions, all these different topics, and based on that there are various problem that can be solved basically. So what we will do, we will actually take one topic and we will do a number of questions on each of these topics. Okay, for example string, we will do number of videos, number of basically problem we can solve it, and then we will proceed with further things. Okay, so this is the plan. All right, and what we will do is I'm thinking to do it 2 videos in a week. Okay, so that you also get enough time to basically practice it. So the moment I do the coding part, then you also have to basically open your PyCharm or whatever editor you use. You go there and you code it immediately. Once you are able to do it, your code is running fine, you tested it, then you actually come back to the video and ping that, okay, chat the comment section, say that, okay, you are done with this, right? That will give actually very good idea for you. Okay, then I also can see that, okay, lot people are actually using this, so that I will also get motivation to do more and more videos and more problems basically. So what we will do, we will actually go into the very logical flow. Okay, I'll not jump from one to other topic. What we will do, we will understand the basics of each of this topic, and then we will slowly take the like basic question, then we will go to little medium complexity, then the complex question, something like that. It should be in very logical, and the playlist that I will be organizing, it will also in that actually fashion. So you have to go from top to bottom, one thing, because it will be actually the complexity of the question will be increased into the subsequent video. Okay, that is the reason you actually go one by one. If you are watching it now, after we are done with, like, we are done with a lot of videos actually in the series, then also you go and actually pick one by one, go one by one, solve it, get a confidence, then actually go to the next one. Okay, so this is the plan. So let's try to get started. So in this video, okay, we will take one question in every video, guys. Okay, now for today we will actually start with the string. Okay, and there are a lot of things that we will do, but for today, let's try to take this question that I'm actually writing it here, and then we will code it. Okay, so question is toggle the character in the string. Okay, this is the question. What it means, if you don't understand, let me actually explain you. Okay, so for example, there is a string called name. Okay, name is, for example, it is string and it is like etl qa lab, something like this. Okay, so if I say toggle, toggle means actually uppercase to lower. Okay, upper to lower and lower to upper. Okay, this is what we have to do. So if this is my input, right, this is my input, I expect output to be something e t l q small, a also small, and L also is small, and A, B, S, because all of the upper one will be converted into lower and lower will be converted into upper. This is what actually answer I am expecting. Okay. Now let's try to see how we can actually do. Okay. So what we will do, we will directly go into PyCharm and try to write a code basically. And just a second, let me actually go here. Okay. So I have already written this. What do you say? The file actually. Okay, here we will be writing our code. So what I will do, I'll write a function. Okay, and this function basically will return a string. Okay, it will accept the string. String will be let's say here like name, right? String, and it will actually also give the output as a string. This is what I want, right? So in between we will do all the coding basically. So let's write it. So I'll say def, and I'll say toggle character. Okay, char, simple name of the function. Okay, toggle char. That's it. Now it will take a string. So I'll say str. You can give abc whatever you want to give actually. I'll just say string str. Okay, fine. Now what I said is once I do it, I need to check whether it is coming. So here at this logic, it has I have to take this string and one character I have to take. Every character I have to check this character whether this character is uppercase or lowercase. If it is lower, then I have to convert into upper. If it is upper, then I have to convert. So if else logic I have to do. So first of all, how to take one character from this string is basically using the for loop. So if I say for ch in str, this is how we can take one character from here, isn't it? And then let's try to basically write the code actually. So once I take this character, I will say if ch is less than or equal to, okay, sorry, ch is greater than or equal to a. I'm just checking the range of this character is between a to z or not. Okay, so equals also I'll say here. Okay, equals, and ch is, it will work like a comparison operator. Okay, equal to or less than are equal to z. If this is the case, okay, if it is falling, which means I'm saying if the character, the single character that I'm taking, it is between a to z, then I have to actually convert this. Okay, first of all, I will tell you, I'll show you one more thing after this actually. Okay, so let me write this code and then I'll tell you what exactly it means. Right? How do I convert it? I will actually, how can I convert this into a into lowercase? Basically, I'll take the equivalent what you say, numeric equivalent of it, and just add 32 of 32 into this. I'll show you why, what it means basically. Okay, first let's write it. Okay, so I'll say I will say answer char. Can I say answer character? Because I will also do one thing, I have to take a list basically. So can I say answer ans list? Okay, answer list, it will be empty string. Okay, so every time once I convert it, I will add it to the list. For now it is empty. Okay, first time I have to actually convert this upper into lower. So how do I convert it? To convert it, I have something called ord ch. So which means ord ch will give you the number, the numeric equivalent of a. Okay, once I get the numeric equivalent of it, I will just add 32. I will tell you why I'm adding 32, and I'll show you also. Okay, this is what I have to do, and then after that I'll convert into chr, which means it will again convert back after adding. No, this will get some number. Okay, that will be converted into numeric, sorry, character format. So it will be actually coming as a. I'll show you how it is coming. Okay, this will come, and then once it is converted, I have to actually add into list, answer list dot append, and then I'll say answer char. Perfect. This is what I have to do. Now, if second case, right? If it is not between this, then other things, because I'm saying that it is actually the character only, right? Latin character basically, right? So then if it is not, then what I will do, I will actually write exactly the same thing, but I will actually subtract it. Okay, subtract it with 32, and I'll tell you why I'm subtracting it. You can actually see it later, but for now let's try to write it like this. Okay, after this, what I will do, I got this list, and this is my list, and it is having all the different characters of list. So I have to convert this list into answer string, maybe of answer str. Actually, this is another one. So how do I convert a list into answer list into string is this way. Okay, using dot join function you can actually convert it. Now after conversing, what I want, I need to just return it. Okay, so I'll say sorry, I have to just say return answer string. That's it. I will show you how it works, but now let me actually call this function. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take this toggle and probably I'll pass this and I will print it actually here. Okay, let me print toggle, and what I will say here, let me pass it the same thing, etlQALabs, exactly same thing. Let's see what is the output I'm getting. Okay, so can I say here one more thing, I'll print it here. I'll say here the input is okay, and I will just say here str. Okay, here I can say the output is answer is, I will say okay, answer is okay, something like this, guys. Let's try to run it and see whether it is actually giving me correct answer or not, right? So how I do it, let me just clear it everything. Now we are able to clear it. Let's try to run it. Okay, now this is my toggle character. Okay, okay, it is giving me some error. What is that? 11, line number 11. Let's see, answer list. Okay, this is answer list. Okay, good. And so what is the problem? Is it because of this, maybe? Let's. It is because of this append answer character, and okay, all good. 1 second, guys. Let's see. Is it something is a problem actually? Let's see. What is that actually? Indentation problem. Yeah. Where is that indentation problem? Is it here? Okay. No. No, I guess. Okay, it's fine. Let's see. Do you guys see any problem here? Let's see. Answer list. Okay, character ch, if I say it and then I will do it like this, and then if not, else will come here, and simply this is done, and at the end I will get answer list. Very good. Answer character, answer list, chr. I think this looks good. What is the problem? Let me just try to see where is the problem. Answer character. Okay, it's fine. Hmm. Let's try to run it one more time. I don't know what is the problem here, but yes, let's do it. Clear it one more time. Okay, it is still showing on the line number 10. Is it indentation problem? Okay, okay. Where could be indentation? Okay, so this is at this level. This is perfect. Okay. Okay. No, this is fine. However, exactly. I think if this is supposed to be here, no, right? Okay, if I say it here, this is fine. And I really don't know why this is giving 1 second. Okay, okay. Maybe, guys, I think this indentation is the problem. Let's see if this works. Okay. So if I come down here, let's try to run it this time. Okay. Oh wow, it's coming actually. Okay, so the problem indentation is really a problem here. Okay, because this was here, but it is supposed to be outside the for loop, right? That's what it is. It is required because you get the answer list after is come out of the for loop. So for loop actually here, right? So it should be on the level of the for loop only because it has to be outside. That's the reason. Okay, then I'm returning it. Okay, so when I'm returning it, it should be basically returning to this particular function. Okay, now it's fine. Now, if I just say this is actually also wrong because this is actually giving you something else. Okay, now what I need is I can just say here, can I just say print it here? No, input something like this. Right. Okay. No, I think input anyways we are putting it here. You can actually say it here. No, Like, can I just say str equal to this? Okay, you can actually pass this here. Something like this. There is no need to actually do that, but it's okay. Something like this, I can actually print it here and there. Right? Now this is my input and output. So let's try to see what happens this time. I think it will give me the correct answer. Okay? Input is this and output answer is basically this. So this is actually able to convert it. Now guys, you might be just thinking, what is this logic, right? So first of all, see what I'm doing it here. I'll show you this part actually. Okay? This part, very, very interesting part. Okay. So the equivalent, right? If it is actually coming as a capital, then I to convert into lowercase, uppercase to lowercase, I just have to add 32. Okay, on the numeric value. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me actually do this, comment it so that I don't get it. I just want to show you actually A equivalent. Okay, what is the A equivalent and A equivalent of the numeric value of both of this. Okay, so how do I get the numeric value? Let me just show you here. If I say print here and if I say ORD, it will convert, it will give me the okay, if I just say it here, if I say this here as well. So let's run it and see what actually we get it. Let's run it. Do you guys see it here? It is actually, sorry, it is, sorry. Okay, it's fine actually. I have to just say it here like this. Okay, this is actually treated as a string only, no? Let's run it. Dekho. 65 is the equivalent for this one, isn't it? For this, it is actually 65, and for this, it is 97. So, if I need to convert 65, like capital A to small a, what I have to do? I have to add 32 into it, isn't it? If I add 32 equal to into this, then it become actually equivalent to A, right? And after adding it, so that's why I'm doing CHORD, which means we are converting we are getting this function, ORD function will actually give me 65, which is equivalent of numeric. And then if I add it 32 here, and again after that I'll convert back to CHR, means character. Then this will give me A actually. Let me just run it and show you actually. Okay. The other one will give you A, and let's see. Do you see A? This is 97. This is 97, right? If I actually subtract 32 from here, okay, and after subtracting, can I not convert into character? So if I just convert into character, let's say this will give me lowercase a, because for lower a 65. So this actually, when I subtract it, this is actually 65 only, right? So this is the way actually we are actually using this conversion right here. Hopefully you got this idea, right? And this is the logic basically to convert a toggle basically, right? This is the logic to toggle it. Now people might say, hey, can you actually convert 0 to a to 0, or sorry, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, or something like that, anything that they say, right? 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Same logic you can apply, isn't it? You can actually, if you're getting a, you say, if I'm getting character equal to 1, then you actually convert into 0, right? Something like that you can write, isn't it? But this is specifically the range. That's why we are actually writing something of this sort. Actually, you can actually write small a and small z, and then this logic will change minus 32, and this something like this will change. But yes, I mean, just try this, implement, try to implement, write small a and here also small z, and then try to see whether you are able to write your code actually. Here the code will change. This code will go up and this code will come actually down. Otherwise everything will be same actually. Okay, so this is how, this is one of the important question. Okay, from the interview point of view, we will do a lot many questions going forward, so stay tuned and try to solve it, and come back and comment on this video that you are able to solve. Okay, I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, happy learning. God bless you. Bye.